right? So if I come back here to the main part, and this is the last part, we have this table, right? And you can see that in this table, I can see all open requests, and I can open it, right? I can uncollapse it to see all the reimbursement items pertaining to that request, right? So how am I doing this? I'm going to open this table component, and you can see that this table component is seeing the reimbursement request. So this is the main part of the request. So I'm seeing who created it, the description, how much was requested, how much I'm approving, the percentage bar, and the button for approving or denying. And there's all sorts of customization uh, aesthetic settings here, right? But if I go down to the bottom part, I can see that I have the show connected records.